In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to install Zoom on your desktop computer. Before we begin, let's go over a few caveats. So first, this assumes that you don't already have Zoom installed on your computer. In order to check that, you can see my previous video, Is Zoom Running? And determine how to check if Zoom is already installed on your computer. Second caveat is that I will be doing this installation on a Windows computer, in particular a computer with Windows 10 on it. Now, if you're running a previous version of Windows, the installation instructions will be largely similar, but if you're not running Windows, if you're running Linux, or if you're using an Apple computer or something other than Windows, it could change the installation instructions dramatically. So this is only for a Windows-based computer. Finally, this assumes that you are not using a managed device. In particular, that means that your computer was not issued to you by the university. If the university gave you your computer, then you will not be able to follow these instructions, and you will need to look for another video that I'll create about how to install Zoom on that kind of a computer. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So we're here on the Windows desktop. The first thing we need to do is download the Zoom client. So I'm going to open up Chrome. I'm going to go to zoom.us. And up in the top right, we see this resource drop-down menu. You will click Download Zoom Client. Then you will click this very first download button. It will download the Zoom installer. We can open the downloads folder, and then we simply double click on the installer. Windows Security may pop up a system message asking you to allow it to install, in which case you simply click yes. We let the installer run, and when it's finished running, the Zoom application pops up and we're done. We can tell that Zoom is running because if we look back down in our system tray icons, the icons in the bottom right, we can see the Zoom icon down there. Now all you need to do is click Sign In and click Sign In with Google. Remember to use your Jessup credentials, but do not type them in here. Make sure you click Sign In with Google, and then you'll be signed in to the desktop application for Zoom on Windows. Thank you very much.